The Smith machine bent over row is an exercise that targets the muscles in the upper back. Since the barbell on the Smith machine moves in a locked in, straight up and down path, it requires less activation of the stabilization muscles, thus making it easier to isolate the muscles in the upper back. To get started, if you're using an angled Smith machine as you see in this video, make sure you're facing out, which ensures the bar moves at a slight angle towards your body as you raise the bar rather than away from your body. While standing, grip the bar with an outside hip-width overhand grip. To release the safety hooks away from the safety bar, lift the bar up and off the rack with a slight backward twist. With your core contracted, hinge at the hips to slowly lower your upper torso towards the ground while maintaining a straight back, neck in alignment with your spine, and knees slightly bent. The starting position is with the bar just below your knees with your back close to parallel to the ground. While keeping your upper torso locked down and in a fixed position, bend your elbows, keeping them tucked close to your sides to pull the bar up until it almost touches your belly. Pause at the top to feel a strong contraction in your back muscles, then extend your arms to slowly lower the bar back to the starting position. Repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.